Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair review on some hair that I received from Cranberry Hair, you guys. So I received this wig from Cranberry Hair. Shout out to Cranberry Hair for sending me hair for the first time. I really appreciate it. This is the first hair company that's ever sent me hair, so I'm very appreciative for the opportunity to do a hair review for them. This is long awaited. I have recorded and re-recorded this video so many times. I just wanted to make sure that it is perfect. So let's get into the hair. So not only did I receive this box, I received some lashes and I received a black stocking cap. Of course, I can't really use the black stocking cap, but I did use the lashes. I no longer have the lashes, so unfortunately I don't have those to show you guys, but a lot of this comes standard in a lot of Aliexpress companies now, comes standard in a lot of Aliexpress vendors now. So I received this wig. This is a 13 by 4 a lace front wig with it's the texture water wave, and it's in the inches, 20 inches, and I believe this is 130% density wig. So shipping was really quickly. It took about a week to get here, especially during COVID. That's pretty quick. So definitely shipping is no issue. Customer service was wonderful. I talked to them on a consistent basis when they were reaching out to me. They were very polite, very kind. But let's get into this hair because that's what y'all here for. So some of the cons. So of course, curly hair sheds. If you haven't watched my other 2 curly videos that I have, one on Diamond Dynasty version hair from about like 6 years ago, and another one on Virgo hair I purchased from AliExpress about a year ago, maybe like 6 months ago. This is nowhere near the amount of shedding that I got from that hair. Nowhere near. But of course, curly hair does shed. When I do run my fingers through it, I do get hair on my hand. So it's not one of those just effortless, clean through that type of hair. Like you could just, like, no, you can't do that to this hair. But it's not an immense amount of shedding. Another con is that the lace did come gray. So I know people be really finicky about their lace. I'm more of a transparent lace type of girl. So the gray lace kind of threw me off. I was thinking that I could put bleach in the unit and it tint the lace. That didn't really work. It just bleached the knot. So if you're thinking that the bleach from the developer and the bleach powder is going to change the lace color, it's not. So do be prepared for you to have to do some finessing. So all I did was take some cream foundation and I put it on the inside of the unit, and I laid down the unit with got to be glued hairspray and a blow dryer. I don't even have a wig cap on. I plucked the mess out of this wig, okay, because my natural hair is pretty thin up in the front and I don't like curly wigs with thick hairline. So like, it's still pretty thick if you can't see, but I wanted it to look like as close to my hair as possible, so we thinned out the hairline, okay? All right. Other than that, the gray lace and the shedding, there's no other issues. Like, this texture is beautiful. So all I did to get this hair texture and get it to look like this, all I did was take some She's Bomb collection foam, and I put it all through the hair after I wet the hair. So I took a spray bottle, sprayed the hair down, got it really damp. Then I took the foam, ran it through my hair, and I went about my day and let it air dry. And this is what it air dried to be. You guys can't see. I am definitely would suggest this company to anybody, especially if they are new to wigs. I feel like this is a really good company. The prices are really good. You don't have to worry about spending an arm and a leg on some hair. Like, their prices are really good for the quality of hair that I receive. Like, really good. I really suggest Cranberry Hair for sure. I need to order some more curly hair because I really love this hair texture, but I do want it a lot longer. So I definitely do suggest Cranberry Hair. Thanks again, Cranberry Hair, for sending me this hair. You guys just take a minute don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I want to give you guys more videos. I want to give you more content. I just graduated college, so that's the main reason why you guys haven't seen me that much, because I've just been trying to handle my work and get through everything. But I graduated last week, so turn up. Now we just gotta find a job. Okay, you know, work field during COVID is really not it, but we're gonna make it shake. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know. All right, do I have to tell you again? Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know like what you like to see, what at. But that's all I got for you guys. Make sure to check out my other videos and check the description box below for all the information on this hair and the link to this hair. I'll see you guys later.